Welcome to the next edition of Faces of Downtown Oakville, and today we are speaking to Trisha and we are at Kitten Ace.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you. So Trisha, can you tell us a little bit more about the Kitten Ace brand?
Yeah, absolutely. So we are a commuter brand. Our clothing is designed for modern commuters. All of our clothing is technical apparel with athletic in mind.
Okay. Why was Downtown Oakville specifically chosen for a location for Kitten Ace?
So fun fact, our original founder, Chip Wilson, who founded Lululemon, came to Oakville and he really loved the Oakville vibe. It reminded him of Vancouver. So when he was opening Kitten Ace, this was obviously his first choice, was Oakville.
What are you most looking forward to with the new streetscape here in Downtown Oakville?
First, just to see how beautiful it is, and second, the shared lanes for bikers and commuters.
Excellent, because that's traveling, and you
yeah.
do clothing
We're
for traveling.
commuters.
There you go. So what is something that's new about Kitten Ace that most people wouldn't know about?
Our biker line. So our biker line is leisure / exercise wear that you can transform into office wear as well.
Excellent. So Trisha, thank you so much for having us here at Kitten Ace, and I certainly look forward to coming to check out your store again.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.